In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube. First, let's begin by opening your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Simply find the browser icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-click it. As the browser window opens, you will see a clean interface ready for you to navigate. This is your gateway to the internet, where you can access countless websites, including YouTube. It is important to choose a browser you are comfortable with, as this will make your experience smoother. Once your browser is open, you are ready for the next step. Now go to the website https://www.youtube.com. You can do this by typing the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. Once you hit enter, the YouTube homepage will load. You will see a variety of videos, trending content, and categories that pique your interest. This step is essential because it connects you to the platform where you can watch all your favorite videos. YouTube is a vast resource of entertainment and information, so take a moment to appreciate what it offers. Next, sign into your YouTube account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. When you click on it, a prompt will appear asking for your email address and password. Enter your credentials carefully, then press the Next button. If your login is successful, you will immediately see your profile icon in the top right corner. Signing in allows you to access personalized features such as your subscriptions, playlists, and recommended videos. This little step ensures you have a tailored experience every time you visit YouTube. At this point, you can start watching videos. Browse through the homepage or use the search bar to find specific content. When you find a video you want to watch, simply click on its thumbnail. The video will start playing and you can adjust the volume or switch to full screen mode if you prefer. Watching videos is the primary purpose of using YouTube, and this is where the fun begins. Enjoy exploring various genres, from music to tutorials. Remember, the more you interact with the platform, the better your recommendations will be in the future. Once that is done, you can take advantage of YouTube's features. You can create playlists by clicking on the Save button below the video and choosing the playlist you want to add it to. This helps you organize your favorite videos and makes it easier to find them later. You might also want to like, share, or comment on videos to engage with the content creators. Each of these actions enhances your experience and builds a community connection. From there, if you are interested in downloading videos for offline viewing, it is important to note that YouTube does not offer a direct download option on Windows 11. However, you can explore using a web app instead. This allows you to access YouTube through your desktop without needing a traditional app. To do this, click on the three dots in your browser and select Install or Create Shortcut. This step provides you with quick access to YouTube directly from your desktop, which is convenient for frequent users. With that ready, you can now enjoy your YouTube experience more efficiently. Remember to keep your browser updated to enjoy the latest features and security updates. This will ensure your browsing is safe and enjoyable. Learning how to navigate YouTube effectively opens up a world of entertainment and education right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download YouTube on Windows 11. Enjoy your time on the platform.